So how do you determine what type of periodical you're actually looking at? If you have them right in front of you in real life, it's generally easy to distinguish among them by their appearance. Magazines and trade publications usually have a lot of glossy paper, they have ads and images, the articles are short, and you can distinguish trade publications from magazines by looking at the topic and theme of the publication and looking closer at the types of articles and the ads and the kind of information they have. Scholarly journals may vary in their actual size, but you can generally distinguish them by telling that they are full of long articles that are mostly text-based with perhaps a few diagrams or graphs here and there, and you could also look for the presence or absence of abstracts and bibliographies. But in many cases, you will be looking at individual articles online rather than flipping through articles in a physical journal. Fortunately, if you are searching for articles in a database, most databases allow you to limit your results by academic journals or even specifically to peer-reviewed sources. However, there are other hints and clues that you can use in article records to help determine whether they are a scholarly peer-reviewed journal or not. Look for some of these things, such as an abstract, a bibliography, technical language. Does it say the credentials of the author? What is the journal title? Does it include something like journal, review, quarterly, studies? For example, take a look at this article in an EBSCOhost database. Look at the source. Notice that this is called the Journal of Consulting and Clinical Psychology. That's a good sign. So is the fact that it lists a volume and issue number. Notice the little number by the author's names. If we scroll down, we can see that this is their affiliation to a research institute. We can also see here that there's an abstract, a summary of the research that they did. These are all clues that can help you determine whether or not you're looking at a scholarly article. But remember, to be on the safe side, use the limit to scholarly or peer-reviewed journal function in the database, which is demonstrated in a different video.